ensure that there is stability.
Jaod bura Suna West Peter Masara ochwalo bura paro mar twak mageto konyo obila mani kod dang'ni mag paro koting'o ndiko johocho kod gero kuonde mabiro konyo obila e bedo kod ngima makare mar obwongo e counties ma pacho ka. Jaod bura no koni paro no biro konyo obila bede rang'iny makare mar paro kendo tiyo ne jo Kenya kaka chik dwaro. Okoni timbe mane obila timo ne jo Kenya kinde ng'anyo nyiso ni nitie gimoro marach gi obila manyaka losi. Paro no manyaka sani oseyudo sir kowuok kuom jokanyo mag komiti mar budget e od bura mamalo biro dwaro omenda maromo milion 623 mondo chop kare poni opuodhe kaka chik.
The police officers are killing each other because they are desperate. They don't know whom to run to. They don't know what to do. And sometimes you can hear a police officer telling you, Mheshimiwa, please, can you help me? I was told to go to Somalia border, or you go to Baringo. Let me give an example of Mheshimiwa. Because they feel like when you are taken there to be killed. So they go through a lot of trauma, and that is why I'm saying this bill, it's wrong, overdue. The mental health will also help when they go through the counseling. That now will strengthen the bond between the policemen and our community.
I know your bill is focusing on basically the police officers, but I think each and every department, ministry, whatever, institutions should have a section, should have an office with a psychologist or a counselor just attending to issues of mental well-being. But just to echo what my colleagues have said, the police officers require attention.
But all in all, Masada's bill, I think, will have a great deal, because then you'll cancel the policemen, you'll cancel their families, their children, you cancel them when they go to war, you cancel them when they go to street demonstrations. And most of policemen, when they're being told they're going to Mandera, they will not want to go. But if we have a system, and a deliberate system where, there's constant encouragement and constant counseling,